Ndewo Linkem. Welcome to lesson 10 of Igbo in Diaspora. Today we are learning how to say the days of the week and how to tell the time in Igbo. Ka anyị malite. Here are the Igbo style versions of weekdays. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. The Igbo people also have their own calendar and what they call the different days of the week. They have Ụbọchị, Ụbọchị Orie, Ụbọchị Afọ, Ụbọchị Nkwo. These are the 4 market days used in traditional Igbo culture. Now, let's name the parts of the days. Morning, Ụtụtụ. Afternoon, Ehihie. Evening, Mgbede. Night, Abalị. Early morning, n'isi ụtụtụ. Midnight, n'etiti abalị. Let's tell the time. Kedụ ihe na-akụ? What time is it? Ọ bụ elekere asaa. It's 7 o'clock. O ji nkeji iri gaa elekere asaa. It's 10 minutes after 10. O ji nkeji iri gaa elekere ise. It's 10 minutes past 5. Ọ bụ elekere abụọ kpọmkwem. It's 2 o'clock sharp. Let's try these examples. Taa bụ Mọnde. Today is Monday. Anyị ga-ezute n'elekere ise. We will meet at 5 o'clock. Abalị dị mkpụmkpụ. The night is short. Abalị jụrụ oyi. The night is cold. Translate these to Igbo. What time is it? Today is Friday. We will meet in the morning. It is midnight. Practice and repeat these sentences. Let's review. Ụbọchị, Oge, Ụtụtụ, Abalị, Ekele. Now it's time for a little bit of homework. Write 3 sentences about your day using both time and day in Igbo. Phrase of the day is Ụbọchị ọma, good day. Daalụ for joining today. See you in lesson 11.